Hey guys, welcome back to Storytime with Tilly. My name is Tilly. Our book today is a pretty popular book. I'm sure lots of you guys have read it before. It is about someone who likes to cook. Can you guess who that is? It is called Cooking with Lorax. Cooking with Lorax by Sonali Fry. I am the Lorax. I want something to munch. What is he thinking about? Yeah, I see a banana. I see a taco, a sandwich, a cupcake, and a red apple. I think that a salad would make a good lunch. Come with me. I will share. My garden is right over there. It's a nice garden. Oh, look, a bee. A salad needs something green. Look at that rabbit hiding behind that lettuce. I pick lettuce and beans. Carrots will add crunch. I will pick a bunch. Maybe a potato? What do you guys think? Is there a potato in the salad? Not unless it's a potato salad, right? No, I do not think so. I will gather berries. Blueberries. Who likes blueberries? I will pick some cherries. Yum. I am done with my stroll. Time to get the salad bowl. Look at all the ingredients there. Wash, wash, wash. Slice, slice, slice. Everything looks very nice. Add a cheesy crumble. Can you hear my tummy rumble? Pepper and salt if you please, but not too much or I will sneeze. Then a dressing goes on top. First, I like to taste a drop. Now I toss it up, up high. Watch the salad fly, fly, fly. Finally, my salad is done. Making it was lots of fun. A salad is a yummy treat. I cannot wait to sit and eat. That salad looked so good, especially with those blueberries and cherries on top. Yum. Do you guys like salads? Eating our salads and fruits makes us grow big and strong. You guys want to be strong, don't you? I wonder what Lorax will make next. What do you guys think? Maybe pancakes and some bacon? That could be yummy. Cooking can be fun, huh? Next time when your mom or dad are making a meal, why don't you guys offer to help? See what you can do to help them out. Thanks guys for liking and subscribing to this channel. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to read another story for you. Bye! Take care!